car is not working. Huh? What should I do? Aha! I'll call the mechanic. Hello? Who's this? Hello, mechanic. Khalifa? My car is broken. Can you help me?
Your car is not working? Okay, I'll be right there.
Okay, bye.
Okay, let's go help Khalifa. Hi, Khalifa.
Hi, mechanic.
What's wrong with your car?
It's not working.
Let me check. Can you get off the vehicle?
Let's now.
Alright. Okay, I fixed the vehicle. Take the car out.
It's working. Thank you for helping me so much.
No problem. Bye.
Bye.
The next morning.
Oh no, my car is broken. What happened, Arafa? My car is broken. Your car broken? Yeah. I'll call Huthayfa. He worked quite good.
Who's calling me? Hello?
Hello, mechanic. Arafa's car is broken.
What? Arafa's car's broken? I'm on my way. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Let's go.
Hi, mechanic.
What's wrong?
Arafa's vehicle is broken.
Huh? Broken? I thought you said off. What's wrong? There's a problem. The wheels are not good. Okay, it's fixed. Take the car out, Arafa.
Hey, Lucky! Huthayfa! Welcome, Arafa! Bye! Bye! Bye, Anna! Bye, Khalifa! Bye, Arafa! Bye!
You're welcome, Arafa. Bye.
Bye! I still need to go too! Bye! Me!
Thank you for watching our video.
Excellent!
Hope you guys enjoy our show. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.